Hey, what's happening? This Young Gunner reporting live. My nigga in the store right now. You see my nigga right here. You see him? We in the drop top. We about to go to 935. As you can see, we already fucked up. We on that hand.
No damn ATM in there.
It ain't no ATM in there. Well, shit, y'all hear my nigga? Shit,
Man.
shit.
You already
Hey,
know.
everybody that see this, come fuck with us at Club Fantasy in Richburg, behind McDonald's, right out the exit 65. Hey, you see how we riding, nigga? We riding goddamn top down, everything. No, turn around. You going back to the hotel, right? Turn around, bruh. Go this way. But shit, just fuck with us. We gonna do whatever.
ATM right now. Oh shit.
Hey, you already know how I do it, man. I show up and I show out. Hey, do you wrong? You got something to say? Nah, that nigga in his phone. He trying to get this shit
money
work.
up, man.
Yeah, get y'all money up. RMG shit. Shout out to J-Boy. Shout out to my nigga Cool Kid. You already know he got that shit rocking, nigga. Look at goddamn